Why do 80% of fitness enthusiasts struggle to see muscle gains? The secret's in the nutrition. Protein is your muscle's best friend. Eat a small protein-rich snack before your workout to fuel your session. After your workout, there's an optimal window to repair and grow muscles. Think eggs, chicken, fish, or tofu. Essential amino acids are the building blocks. Leucine, valine, and isoleucine are critical for muscle protein synthesis. BCAAs also play a crucial role. After that intense workout, timing matters. A post-workout meal with 20 to 30 g of protein and a 1 or 2:1 ratio of carbs to protein is ideal. Try a chicken quinoa bowl or a Greek yogurt parfait. And don't forget water. Proper hydration and electrolytes like sodium, potassium and magnesium prevent cramps. Here's a sample muscle-building day. Breakfast, omelette with veggies and whole grain toast. Lunch, grilled salmon, quinoa and steamed broccoli. Snack, Greek yogurt with berries. Dinner, lean beef stir-fry with brown rice. Remember, muscles grow in the kitchen too. Fuel wisely, train hard and watch those gains. Like, subscribe and share for more tips.